Imagine your cat, whiskers twitching with curiosity, eyes wide with wonder, safely exploring the great outdoors. Picture a space where they can play, climb, and lounge in the sunshine, all while staying safe from the hazards of the outside world. This is not just a dream, but a reality you can create in your own backyard. We're about to embark on a journey to transform a simple plot of land into a feline utopia, a secure, stimulating, and comfortable outdoor cat enclosure. Exciting, right? Time to get started. Why an outdoor cat enclosure, you may ask? Well, it's about creating a balance between safety and adventure for your furry friend. Outdoor risks such as traffic, predators, and poisons can pose significant threats to cats. An enclosure circumvents these hazards, allowing your feline to enjoy the pleasures of outdoor life while keeping them protected. So, in essence, you're providing them with the best of both worlds. Today, we're building a catio that suits any space and budget, ensuring it's both safe and stimulating for your cat. First, let's talk location and size. The spot you pick for your enclosure can make all the difference. Look for a location that's easy to access, has some shade, and a great view for your cat. If your yard is small, don't worry. Catios can be as compact as a window box or as expansive as a full patio. Now let's consider size. This is where your cat's personality comes into play. Is your furry friend a climber or more of a ground-level explorer? If they're climbers, a tall enclosure with multiple levels might be ideal. For ground-level explorers, a wider enclosure with ample space to roam might be the way to go. Design is the next aspect to consider. From window box catios to fully enclosed patios, there's a design to suit every space and every cat. Remember, the goal is not just safety, but a stimulating environment for your cat. So, think about incorporating key features like shelves for climbing, ramps for exercise, and hiding spots for those moments of solitude. Don't forget to plan for access points. A door or a tunnel connecting to the house can provide an easy way for your cat to enter and exit the enclosure. Now that we've got our plan, let's gather our materials. Up next, we'll talk about the different materials and tools you'll need to build an outdoor cat enclosure that's both safe and fun. For our project, we'll use durable, weather-resistant materials that are safe for cats. The first item on our shopping list is untreated wood. Why untreated, you ask? Well, treated wood often contains chemicals that could be harmful to your feline friend. We'll use this wood to construct a solid and sturdy frame for our catio. Next up, we'll need heavy-duty wire mesh for the walls. This will allow your cat to take in the sights, sounds, and scents of the great outdoors while remaining safely enclosed. It's important to choose a mesh with small enough holes that your curious cat can't squeeze through, but large enough to provide a clear view outside. For a touch of comfort, consider some soft, outdoor-friendly fabric for bedding. This will create a cozy spot for your cat to lounge in the sun or take a cat nap. Remember, it's important to ensure any fabric used is easy to clean and resistant to weather changes. Now, let's talk tools. A hammer and nails will come in handy for securing the frame and mesh. Wire cutters are essential for shaping the mesh to fit your design, and a drill will be useful for any additional fixtures or fittings. Measuring tape, a spirit level, and a saw might also be useful, depending on your chosen design. With our tools and materials ready, it's time to start building. Step by step, we'll walk you through constructing the enclosure. Now, the fun begins as we start to see our plans take shape. First, we'll focus on building a solid frame. This is the skeleton of our catio, so it's important to get it right. We're using untreated wood, which is safe for our feline friends and stands up well to the elements. We'll start by cutting our wood to the desired size, depending on the dimensions you've planned for. Then, using a hammer and nails or a power drill, we're assembling the pieces into a box shape, ensuring each corner is square and secure. Next, we're adding extra support beams across the top and bottom of our frame. These beams not only add stability but also provide the perfect places to attach shelves, ramps, and other fun features later. Remember, cats love to climb and explore, so think vertically as well as horizontally when planning your frame design. With our frame ready, it's time to move on to enclosing the space with mesh. This mesh will keep your cats safely inside the enclosure while allowing them to enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of the great outdoors. We're using heavy-duty wire mesh, which is strong enough to withstand a cat's sharp claws and teeth. Cutting the mesh to fit our frame, we're attaching it using a staple gun, making sure to pull it taut as we go to avoid any sagging or gaps. We're also taking care to cover all edges of the mesh with wooden battens or strips to protect our cats from any sharp edges. Now let's talk about access points. Your cat needs a way to get in and out of their new outdoor haven, and you need a way to get in for cleaning and maintenance. For cat access, we're creating a small, cat-sized door or a tunnel that connects the catio to a window or cat flap in your house. This can be as simple as cutting a hole in the mesh and framing it with wood. For human access, we're adding a larger door to one side of the enclosure, complete with a secure latch to prevent any crafty escape attempts. As we wrap up the construction of our catio, let's take a moment to step back and admire our work. We've built a sturdy, secure frame, enclosed it with sturdy mesh, and created access points for both feline and human use. We've transformed a simple backyard into a secure outdoor paradise for our furry friends, but we're not done yet. Now that our structure is up, it's time to make it fun. In the next segment, we'll show you how to add all sorts of exciting features to keep your cat entertained and engaged in their new space. Stay tuned. Now the exciting part, adding elements of fun. You've built a secure outdoor enclosure, but we're not stopping there. We're turning this into a feline wonderland. First, let's think vertical. Cats love to climb. Incorporate climbing shelves at varying heights to simulate a tree-like environment. You might even consider adding a bridge or two, allowing your feline friend to move from one side of the enclosure to the other without touching the ground. Next, perches. Cats love to survey their kingdom from a high vantage point. A perch or two, complete with soft bedding, can provide the perfect spot for an afternoon snooze in the sun, or a watchful eye on the backyard happenings. And what's a cat playground without toys? Dangle a few cat toys from the roof or attach them to the walls of the enclosure. Trust me, your cat will thank you for the endless entertainment. Don't forget the scratch posts. These are essential for your cat's exercise, stretching, and well-being. Choose a sturdy material that can withstand those sharp claws. Finally, consider adding some cat-safe plants for your feline to nibble on or hide behind. Just make sure they're non-toxic. Some good options include catnip, wheatgrass, or even a small cat palm. With our fun elements in place, let's do a final safety check. Remember, it's not just about having fun, but ensuring your cat's new playground is safe and secure. Before introducing your cat to their new outdoor space, we'll run through essential safety checks. It's crucial to ensure there are no sharp edges or corners where your cat might hurt themselves. Check all exits and entrances, making sure they're secure and that your feline friend can't outsmart them. Lastly, assess the overall sturdiness of the structure. It should be able to withstand the weight of your cat and endure their curious paws and claws. Everything checks out. Now, for the big reveal. Witness the joy as we introduce a cat to their new catio for the first time. The anticipation is palpable. There's a pause, a moment of uncertainty, and then pure elation. Every new scent, texture, and view sparks curiosity. A leap onto the climbing shelf, a playful bat at a hanging toy, a quick sprint across the bridge. It's all a testament to a well-designed, well-executed catio. The satisfaction of seeing your feline friend explore their new world is indescribable. It's a rewarding moment that makes all the hard work worth it. Building an outdoor cat enclosure is more than just a project. It's about enhancing your cat's quality of life while keeping them safe. It's about giving them the freedom to explore, play, and bask in the sun in a secure environment. From planning your catio to adding the final touches, we've covered everything you need to craft your own feline paradise. So, are you ready to get your paws dirty? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY pet projects. Happy building!